Welcome to Distance Learning. It is time once again for English for JSS 1. Today, we shall continue our discussion on nouns. Before the new topic, let us briefly revise the last lesson in which we 1. Identified two types of nouns. Identified two types of nouns. 2. Defined proper nouns and common nouns. Defined proper nouns and common nouns. 3. Differentiated proper nouns from common nouns. Differentiated proper nouns from common nouns. And 4. Gave examples of proper nouns and common nouns. We gave examples of proper nouns and common nouns. Do you remember all that and the details involved? I pray you do. Now, in this lesson, we shall look at 3 more types of nouns. 1. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns. 2. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns. And 3. Collective nouns. Collective nouns. What are the objectives we want to achieve in this lesson? Here they are. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Define concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns. Define concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns. 2. Identify concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns in sentences. Identify concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns in sentences. And 3. Differentiate concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns from one another. Differentiate concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns from one another. And so, we have 3 specific objectives in all. We can achieve them if we work together. Just pay attention. First, what is a concrete noun? In answer, we need a definition. The word concrete, as used in the term a concrete noun, is an adjective. The word concrete, as used in the term a concrete noun, is an adjective. Remember in lesson 1 we said that an adjective is a part of speech that modifies or describes nouns. In lesson 1 we said an adjective is a part of speech that modifies or describes nouns. That is, it tells us more about the noun and shows us what it is exactly. That is, it tells us more about a noun and shows us what it is exactly. But the word concrete itself means real, actually existing, or definite. The word concrete itself means real, actually existing, or definite. A concrete noun is therefore a noun that names or refers to things that are real, and concrete nouns name physical things. A concrete noun is therefore a noun that names or refers to things that are real, and concrete nouns name physical things. Look at this list. 1. Book. 2. Song. Book, song. 3. River. 4. Teacher. River, teacher. 5. Beggar. 6. Coward. Beggar, coward. 7. Ball. 8. Monarch. Ball, monarch. 9. Tree. 10. Fish. Tree, fish. 11. Table. 12. Water. And 13. Fire. Table, water, fire. All the words are examples of concrete nouns. Remember, we said concrete nouns refer to things we can see, touch, hear, smell, or perceive. Concrete nouns refer to things we can see, touch, hear, smell, or perceive. You perceive something by seeing it in your mind's eye, that is, by imagining it. You perceive something by seeing it in your mind's eye, that is, by imagining it. We can therefore say those are concrete nouns because we can 1. See and touch a book. See and touch a book. 2. See a written song or hear it if sung. See a written song or hear it if sung. 3. See a river or hear it flowing. See a river or hear it flowing. 4. Touch a teacher. Touch a teacher. 5. See and touch a beggar. See and touch a beggar. 6. See and touch a coward. See and touch a coward. 7. See and touch a ball. We can even hear it when it is hit. See and touch a ball. We can even hear it when it is hit. 8. See and touch a monarch. See and touch a monarch. 9. See and touch or climb a tree. See and touch or climb a tree. 10. See, touch and smell fish. See, touch and smell fish. 11. See and touch a table. See and touch a table. 12. See and touch water. See and touch water. 13. See and touch fire. See and touch fire. And so, by using the characteristics of seeing, touching, smelling, perceiving, or imagining, we can identify whether a given noun is concrete or not concrete. Now, What is an abstract noun? Again, we need a definition. The word abstract, as used in the term abstract noun, is an adjective. The word abstract, as used in the term abstract noun, is an adjective. Here, abstract also modifies or describes the word noun. Here, abstract also modifies or describes the word noun. Furthermore, the word abstract means not existing physically. The word abstract means not existing physically. It only exists as an idea, quality, state, or action. An abstract thing cannot be seen, touched, heard, or smelled. It can first be an idea or a belief like democracy or religion. Here are examples of abstract nouns. 1. Fear. 2. Democracy. 3. Dictatorship. Fear, democracy, dictatorship. 4. Love. 5. Imagine. 6. Hatred. Love, imagine, hatred. 7. Anger. 8. Happiness. 9. Sleep. Anger, happiness, sleep. 10. Death. 11. Pleasure. 12. Beauty. Death, pleasure, beauty. Can you add to the list of abstract nouns? Remember, abstract nouns refer to things without definite physical forms or bodies. Abstract nouns refer to things without definite physical forms or bodies. For example, what is beauty? There is no definite thing called beauty in the same way as we see or say a tree or a book is definite. All things that are not specific, like beauty, are abstract nouns. All things that are not specific, like beauty, are abstract nouns. Now let's go to the next point. There is also a class of nouns called collective nouns. What is a collective noun? Let us attempt a definition here too. A collection is a group of things. A collection is a group of things. A collective noun is a noun that names a group of individuals or things as if they were one individual or thing. A collective noun is a noun that names a group of individuals or things as if they were one individual or thing. A collective noun looks singular in form, but it is plural in meaning. The following are examples of collective nouns. 1. Class. 2. Team. 3. Choir. Class, team, choir. 4. Group. 5. Jury. 6. Panel. Group, jury, panel. 7. flock. 8. Committee. 9. Family. Flock, committee, family. 10. Mob. 11. Regiment. 12. Company. Mob, regiment, company. 13. Cattle. 14. Herd. 15. Board. Cattle, herd, board. 16. Congregation. 17. Assembly. 18. Audience. Congregation, assembly, audience. 19. Fleet. 20. Convoy. Fleet, convoy. With the aid of a good dictionary, you can add 10 more collective nouns to the list. Let us now look more closely at the collective nouns we have just shown on the screen. 1. Class. Class refers to a group of people. We can say a class of students. Class refers to a group of people. We can say a class of students. 2. Team. Team refers to a group of people. Example, a team of doctors. Team refers to a group of people. Example, a team of doctors. 3. Choir. Choir refers to a group of singers. Choir refers to a group of singers. 4. Group. Group refers to a collection of things or people. Group refers to a collection of things or people. 5. Jury. Jury refers to a group of people, usually 12, who help a judge in deciding a case. Jury refers to a group of people, usually 12, who help a judge in deciding a case. 6. Panel. Panel refers to a group of people presiding over a case, debate, or who interview others, and so on. Example, a panel of judges. Panel refers to a group of people presiding over a case, debate, or who interview others, and so on. Example, a panel of judges. 7. Flock. Flock refers to a group of animals or birds. Example, a flock of sheep, a flock of birds. Flock refers to a group of animals or birds. Example, a flock of sheep, a flock of birds. 8. Committee. A committee refers to a group of people put together from a larger group to do something specific. A committee refers to a group of people put together from a larger group to do something specific. 9. Family. Family refers to a group of people who are related by blood or association. Example, father, mother, children, and so on. Family refers to a group of people who are related by blood or association. Example, father, mother, children, and so on. Now here is an exercise. Form sentences with these words and identify the types of nouns they are. 1. Trees. 2. Laborers. 3. Class. Trees, laborers, class. 4. Congregation. 5. Audience. 6. Cattle. Congregation, audience, cattle. 7. Love. 8. Kerosene. 9. Fear. Love, kerosene, fear. 10. Hatred. 11. Heaven. 12. Soap. Hatred, heaven, soap. Well, here are my own answers. 1. Human life cannot do without trees. Human life cannot do without trees. Trees, concrete. 2. Laborers deserve better treatment by employers. Laborers deserve better treatment by employers. Laborers, collective noun. 3. My class studies hard and wins prizes each year. My class studies hard and wins prizes each year. Class, concrete as well as collective. 4. The church has a large congregation of worshippers. The church has a large congregation of worshippers. Congregation is concrete as well as collective. 5. The audience laughed throughout the interesting play. The audience laughed throughout the interesting play. Audience is concrete as well as collective noun. 6. Alhaji Dauda has a large herd of cattle. Alhaji Dauda has a large herd of cattle. Cattle is concrete and collective. 7. We must show love to the needy. We must show love to the needy. Love is abstract. 8. Go and buy 4 liters of kerosene for me. Go and buy 4 liters of kerosene for me. Kerosene is concrete. 9. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. Fear is an abstract noun. 10. Hatred brings confusion, war, and disaster to mankind. Hatred brings confusion, war, and disaster to mankind. Hatred is an abstract noun. 11. Every Christian aims at going to heaven. Every Christian aims at going to heaven. Heaven is an abstract noun. 12. There is no soap to wash with. There is no soap to wash with. Soap is concrete. I hope you can now classify nouns under concrete, abstract, and collective headings. Good. Time once again to invite our friends. They're going to show us some examples of what we have been discussing.
Mom, I don't like these dogs. Oh, I'm only playing. Don't get angry. Mommy.
Hey, what's happening here?
It's me. He wants to pour water on me.
Oh, Nee, why? She's your little sister. You have to show some love to her.
Mom, she's making fun of me.
Nah, why are you doing that?
He can't do his homework.
Hey. Tell me she's lying.
Mom, our teacher gave us an assignment to do, and I can't find the answers in any book.
What is it about?
The royal family of the Asantes.
I'm sure the internet will help you solve your problem.
Before we start, the internet, it is a network of computers. That means computers have been putting together to access the internet, okay? And with the internet, you can send or receive emails. You can also listen to news, watch games, or basically just do some educational programs on the internet.
Can you write a letter with it?
Yes, you can write a letter and send it as an email to your friend or loved ones who is connected with the internet.
I learned there's something called site. Is it a building site?
Oh, you.
Me. No, this is not a building site. Actually, the site is just an address of the institution or the website that you are trying to visit. That's what we call the site.
What is browsing?
Browsing is a software that we use whilst we are on the internet. We have what we call Internet Explorer. It's an internet browser. So we are just going to get connected onto the internet now and then start browsing, okay? So here we have puzzle, the racing, and other fun games. So let's click on puzzle.
Well, keep revising till we meet again. Before then, find out all you can about regular and irregular nouns. Goodbye.